farmers markets run year-round. Some are just now gearing up as the farmers are beginning to harvest their bounty to provide you with local produce. Today we're here at the Langston Pavilion to talk with Micah Anderson about how farmers can make a great table display at the next farmers market. Hello, Micah. How are you doing?
Good. How you doing?
You got a beautiful display of vegetables here. Can you tell us a little bit? Did you grow all this stuff yourself?
We did. We grew all this here at Langston University at our horticulture plot down the road, just a few blocks. And we got a pretty good variety of things, tomatoes and cucumbers and eggplant.
So Micah, it looks like you've got a lot of diversity here. It's almost a one-stop shop. Can you tell us a little bit about what went into your selection when you started growing these crops?
Okay, well, here we have, okra, but we also have the Burgundy okra. And when I first started growing, working at the Department of Ag, I had a lady told me, she said she didn't want the green okra, she wanted the red okra. And I didn't know what she was talking about. Then I went and found it. It's an heirloom, and it's always great to have. It just gives you something different, and a lot of people like it better. So it's something that brings people to your table.
Yeah, different people have different tastes that they like. So, and you've got a couple of different eggplants here also.
Yeah, we have the regular eggplant, the Black Beauty, I think it's called, and then we have the Japanese eggplant. And a lot of people don't realize that this is eggplant, but some of the Asians actually like this much better than the regular eggplant. So it brings diversity to your market, to your table, but it also brings people that you normally wouldn't get to come. And, if they buy this, then they may buy other things from you also.
Well, and I know one that you've still got in the field growing that people love to come for is your purple sweet potatoes.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about that crop and how unique it is?
Yeah, it's been a great crop for me because everybody likes it. There's several different purple ones, and I've tried several ones, but I found this one called Becca Purple, and it really has a good taste to it. And you can make a sweet potato pie out of it. You can make a sweet potato cheesecake.
And it makes a purple sweet potato pie, right?
It stays purple, and it's beautiful, and it actually has higher health benefits than a regular sweet potato.
Excellent.
So that, and the darker colors that you have, the more benefits, the health benefits the food has in it.
So you've been around a lot of farmers markets. You've worked with a lot of people that grow for farmers markets. Can you tell us a little bit about what goes into a good farmers market display?
Well, I think it needs to be, everything is very viewable, and everything needs to be prices marked. As we see here, we have, purple peas for $2 and cantaloupes for $3. And then kind of lay it out to where you got different colors. We have the yellow squash and the purple eggplant and green cucumbers, and then we have red tomatoes. Big watermelon or something that's really big, that's really different, always is good to bring people to your table. And so, like, we've got this big watermelon here that weighs like 42 pounds. And sometimes watermelons can get up to 50 or 60 pounds. So you bring that out and everybody's gonna come to look at it. So it's just something interesting. So we kind of lay it all out to where the colors kind of come together and make it pretty. And then you always want the scales where the customer can see how much they're getting when they're weighing it.
Right, so that there's no question about the pricing or anything like that. And also, a lot of farmers markets provide sacks, I know, don't they? If a person doesn't necessarily come with their own sack.
Right, yeah. If you at a regular farmers market, you can get bags from the Department of Ag. You just have to pay for them, but you'll get thousands of bags in a box, and it's always nice. So when I go to a farmer's market, sometimes the person next to me, they may be selling something different, and I can always share bags, and the customer's always happy to get those bags.
Right. Well, and you've got a lovely display here with your chalkboards. It's very kind of small town grocery store feel almost. I mean, it's a farmer's market feel actually I think a lot of grocery stores are trying to emulate this look. So it's beautiful with your baskets and stuff. And you also have recipe cards. Can you tell us a little bit about those recipe cards?
Yeah, the different things we have recipes for, like the okra, and there's a company that supplies these, and they'll have a recipe that has okra in it on the back. And then we have watermelon here, and it tells you how to select a good watermelon. And then it also has a watermelon recipe for watermelon salsa on the back.
Oh, very nice. Because it might be an occasion when somebody comes to a farmer's market and they're not familiar with the actual produce that might be for sale. And so that helps both the consumer and the farmer explain what to do with their crops. So.
But also, sometimes people come, and I don't have any today, but sometimes I have collard greens and things like that. And then they'll ask me, well, how do you cook that? And then stuff like collard greens and okra and peas and different things are in this cookbook. And then they can take this, they can purchase this, and it helps them be able to cook the stuff when they get it home.
All right, so if we need to figure out a few soul food recipes there, we've got that cookbook to do that.
There you go.
That's a nice additive there. It's a beautiful display, Micah, and I would suggest that people can go to the Department of Ag website if they want to find more information about farmers markets in their local area.
Yeah, because they have a farmers market coordinator there, and he can help people and the website and all that stuff. Yes.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.